Hi everybody, so we just got here in Semenya.
Yes.
So we took a taxi from Ubud to here, which was fairly stress-free.
Yep.
We were gonna take an Uber, but it seemed
Uber.
sketchy. He was like,
so sketchy.
no, it'll be $350, not the $150 that we said, and it was so just don't even
take
try
Uber.
it. Maybe the guy we got was sketchy, but either way, not worth it. So we just got a taxi. It was really good. The guy was really nice.
Yeah.
It's a little more pricey than the Uber, but at the end of the day, who cares? So we're here now. We're gonna go explore a little bit. There's a nice little square that our hotel's actually in.
Yeah.
So we're gonna look at that.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Way more developed than I thought.
Exactly.
And I even saw a mall.
A mall. All right, we're excited. This week on Cahill Creatures, we've got quite the exotic animal for you to see. Spotted in her natural habitat this time. We'll see what she's got. I think she's going to be emerging soon from her hiding place. Nice. To see a face of pure delight. That's it right there.
And Tim Tam cookies.
I think I'm gonna go for this one. Cotton candy, like I always do. And the raspberry cheesecake. So we are at the Couteville Villa right now, and wow, they really spoiled us here. This is our room. Beautiful view here. So cute. Wow. I love the color scheme too, like it's so rustic looking, or what's that? Yeah, beachy. And then the bathroom here, nice and big. A little walkway with a nice big shower. Oh, we got spoiled. We got spoiled. And where are we right beside? We are right beside the pool. So we're gonna go check that one out too.
Someone is going surfing, and it's not me. The man in the yellow shirt. Keegan is going to try surfing for the first time ever. So he's doing a little lesson right now. And then he's gonna go surf. The waves aren't super big and it's pretty close to shore, so looks like it'll be okay. We'll see how he does. Paddling over the wave. Big wave over it, going out to that far one. Oh no, they're going in, turning around. Keegan just tried to get up on his first wave. He kind of got up. He kind of fell. We came for dinner. We are at the Junction House, which is really close to our hotel.
It's really cute.
Yeah, it's really, really cute.
I like the color scheme.
Yeah, it's nice.
I surfed.
Yeah, Keegan surfed.
I got up a couple times. It was good.
Yeah, no, he got up a lot. I thought it looked good.
Yeah, I feel like I could do it again and again.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it a lot.
I liked watching.
Good enough.
Yeah. We're gonna get some food, and I don't know what we're gonna do after that.
Watch movies.
Yeah. We've been watching. It's hard because the Wi-Fi in Bali hasn't been the most reliable at our hotels or resorts, at least.
Brutal.
Yeah. So we've been watching like the same show or movie for multiple days. It'll be like 4 days of the same thing, just trying to get through it, because that's how long it takes to download.
Yeah.
Yeah, work the napkin. Thank you.
Awesome.
What'd you get?
I got creamy chicken. La 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 la.
Yeah, it was some big word. We didn't know what it was.
With a leek in it.
With leek. I got quinoa, falafel, with some hummus in the middle. Looks really good. I'm gonna eat it probably all right now. What are you doing? I was just reminiscing with Keegan about the surfing.
Yeah.
And I was saying how my favorite part to watch was on really big waves. I could see the instructor trying to tell Keegan when there's big waves, you like hug the board and then you roll over so that the board is on top of the water and you're like underneath it.
Because these boards can't go like under the wave. They're too big. They're not the thin ones that you can scoot under the wave. These ones you have to literally flip over.
And it was the funniest thing to watch because on some of the big ones, he could not, like once he was rolled over, he couldn't like turn all the way around.
Well, you have to do it like 3 times in a row. There'd be 3 huge ones, and they'd smack into you, and you're like, all right, let's flip over again, and you feel it go over, and you're like, ugh. And then you try to put yourself back onto the board because you think it's done. No, one right a second after. All right, flip again. I'm tired.
Someone's gonna be out cold tonight. Bali. We had a really good day today.
Yeah.
Very relaxing.
Yeah, we didn't do much. We hung by the pool. We went got some lunch, did some shopping.
Good shopping here, actually. There's a lot of really cute little, like, kind of boho independent designers here that are really cute. Some of it's kind of pricey, but you can find some good deals.
Yeah, so we decided to say our little goodbye here tonight. Thank you for watching.
Yes.
We hope you had enjoyed our trip, because we sure did.
Yeah, best trip so far, for sure.
Yeah.
Loved it.
Loved it. Thank you, Bali, for having us.
I hate it when you say that.
Make sure you leave a like and subscribe.
Yeah, we will see you guys in our next video.
Bye.